Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery in few ways. And the first way is to check it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. If yours doesn't, you can always change it by pressing and holding the lower button to open the Toolbox menu. Then you can scroll through this menu, tap on the watch face option, scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and it displays the battery level. Tap on it to select it, and you can also change the color if you want to, and then apply it. And here we have the battery level. Another way to do it is to open the Toolbox menu, scroll through the list of options until you find the battery usage, and here we have the battery level. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.